Hi, this is Mamta Malleja. Happy evening to everyone. Already we have seen challenge number 3 and we are feel more excited for the challenge number 4. Are you guys excited? Yes. So let's see what's the challenge number 4. We have got our desire list. We have written it and we have specifically written it. This time we are going to work towards at that period at that particular month or a year, and we have start visualizing each and every day. Now we are going to work towards affirmations. What is affirmations? Affirmation is that positive sentence, that desire list, that thing we have written. We are going to we are going to take this as affirmation, and we take it in your health, and we are going to write one sentences toward it. Like we have to say the sentences to ourselves so that it is already happened in our life. We have to, from the desire list, we have to pick that center, pick that one area of your life, and and write yourself that it is already done it. Like I have already like I'm feeling so excited that I have already bought my BMW red color and enjoying drive in ECR. So this is this you can write that at in your present tense. Affirmation is always in your present tense, and you should be excited about your that you are going to feel this, and you are going to write this. So what is in your desire list, you are going to see that has already achieved, and we are going to write the sentences, and we are going to say the sentences each and every day, so we can get easily close to our desire list. But guys, start doing affirmation. When you do your affirmation each and every day, you are going close to your goals. So start doing that affirmation. When we do our affirmations, we can also stop and visualizing it, that we are going nearer to it. So start doing from your morning rituals, like 10 minutes of affirmation and visualization. Like note the things that you have already achieved, and write the sentences and say the sentences aloud or to yourself, and take a minute to visualize it. So that is, when you say it, it will become, and when you visualize it, you are getting nearer to your goals, and you are going to achieve it. So start using this affirmation and visualization in your everyday of your routine, and work towards it today. And always we have to use the words in present tense, and we can also use this word like feeling excited, feeling super excited, feeling joyful, enjoying. So you should start with like I am enjoying my good health. I am good in writing my own essays. So you should be, I'm excited that I'm going to cook a new meal today. So it's all how we have to process that positive sentences with ourselves, that it become reality. So we should work towards our affirmations and visualization. So use always such exciting words, so you will feel excited to say it, and say it into a mirror. When you say nearer to mirror to yourself, it will surely happen, and it will get that high energy. So start doing affirmations by seeing your mirror, so it will reflect, and it will also help you to build your confidence level much better. So start doing your affirmations, and affirmations should always in your present tense, and it can start with I am. So it belongs to that what we that has. So start with I am, and start using this word, enjoying, exciting, loving. So start using this words and starting with affirmations. I am enjoying a good ride with my husband. So start using these words to feel excited to do your affirmations. And Today the challenge number 4 is, already we have a desire list, already we have started visualization. Today we are going to add the affirmation to those sentences, can create a new sentences that we have already achieved it, and we are going to say and we are going to say it, and we are going to take 5 minutes of visualization that we are going to achieve that desire, that list, that dream in our life. So start practicing affirmation and visualization. Take 10 minutes in your morning rituals and start doing it. If you do it long enough, you will really see that changes within yourself. So I started doing my affirmations past few months, so I feel a change within myself. So start doing that affirmation, start working towards your visualization. And today the challenge number 4 is, with create your own affirmations. Make it as a present tense. Use joyful, exciting, these words, so you will feel more good to tell yourself, and it will be more exciting. And so start your affirmations towards your dream and start visualizing it. This is the challenge number 4. I'm feeling excited, guys. You're really working towards it. Surely you can do it. You have to take that first step towards your growth. Surely you have taken that first step to uh, hear this challenges. So I'm looking forward or these 2 or 3 affirmations in below the comment box that we can start working towards our life. So 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 today challenge for us, you have to send me your affirmation 2 or 3 sentences in the below comment box. So guys, work towards this. I think I you can able to do it. Start doing affirmations and start visualizing. Really it will change your life, and it will give your life a new way of perspective to live your life. You have that potential. Surely you're going to take that step, and you're going to show up each and every day towards your growth. So guys, start working towards yourself. So I think you're excited for the challenge 4. You're going to do it and comment below in your comment box. You can do it. Have that spirit. Surely you can do it, and you can work towards yourself, towards that growth and your growth mindset. Thank you, guys. Thank you to all. See you in the next video for the challenge number 5. See you all tomorrow. Bye.